Hello guys, welcome to another Honda Element video. Today I just got a pair of hood struts thanks to Kurama Shop. It's a seller in eBay. Also I'm going to leave the link of his website on the description. So let me open it up and see what is inside here. So this one, guys, is going to be a nice modification. So first, it's very well packed. I like how he used this bubble to protect the item. Then there is some information in this paper. Let's check it out. So it's basically the manual, which is really nice because they explain you with picture colors how to install it, and also you can scan the barcodes, like if you guys want to follow this shop like in the website, in eBay, Facebook, Amazon. So a lot of good reviews for this guy. Highly recommend to get products from it. And look at this, guys, he also have a picture of the Honda Element here, and they exactly show you how to mount the leaf strut, which is really nice. So basically what we're gonna do in this part of the hood, it has a ball. We gotta remove that ball, and then we are going to add the part of the the leaf right there, and then in the other side this is where it goes. So that's pretty nice, right? It has like all color pictures exactly where you have to mount it, so it should be very easy mod. I will say like 5 to 10 minutes to replace this. And here is the package, guys. Let's open it up and let's check it out. So it comes with all the mounts, and it's really nice because it is marked as right and left. So that's something that I always like when people send like products like this, when they mark it right and left. It really helps when looking for the pieces that we need. And it doesn't only says right and left, also it points you to where this mount belongs. This one belongs to fender, so that's really nice. So that one goes to the fender, this one goes to the fender. And also, if you see it, guys, in the back it has like a sticky pad, so that way it won't contact metal to metal. And also these letters are stickers, so you can always remove it after installation. So let's put the fenders over there, and then as you see it here, it says right hood and then left hood. And some washers, like these 3 washers for each side, guys. Okay, and then there is another information here, just precaution about the product, and another picture, color picture, how to install it. So a lot of information on that, guys. And then also they have these clips. Then right there you guys can see those clips. That one has clips in each side, and also if you turn it around, also this one has clips. So I will just say that these ones are spares, like if you guys lose this or you want to replace this in the future, then you have those as an spares. Let's check out this one right here. Yeah, you guys can see the grease over there, so it makes sense it's grease, because this grease we're gonna apply it right here, guys. Look, you guys can see it has a little bit of like grease or oil over there, but that one needs to be grease, so when you open this, then it will be smooth, and this is where it contacts with this. So that's pretty nice too, that the seller think about every little detail to make this installation very easy. So basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab some grease, and then we just add the grease over there. And let's check out this one again, just in case. Like I say, all the mounts are labeled, so that helps a lot. It's pretty self-explanatory, this picture. And now, guys, let's move to the element, open the hood, and let's install these leaf supports for the hood. Okay, guys, so as you see it right now, I have this stick, like metal stick, to hold my hood. So that one is not gonna be in use anymore. After installing this hood struts, it's going to be a nice modification to do. Okay, guys, so the first thing that I'm going to replace is going to be the driver's side, which is going to be the one with the left marks. And first we will install the mounts. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to install this side where it says left hood, and this one right here, guys, is going to go right over here. So it's the first ball on the fender. So the first thing that I'm going to do is remove this ball over there. It's a 10 millimeter. And then what we are going to do is we are going to grab our left fender mount, and then we are going to place it like this. So there is like a sticker over here that you have to remove. So you will go ahead and remove this. Make sure that you clean this, guys. And after it's being cleaned with some like alcohol, then we are going to grab our mount, and then as you guys see it, once I install it here, it's gonna have a little bit of place. What I'm going to do is just place it all the way up, so in the back it's gonna look like that. And then I'm just going to install this. You can always remove like those stickers. Move. Just make sure that you center this really nice. This mount is made for the element, so it should be okay. And there it is, guys. That's all you have to do with this. We don't have to use any of the washers. There is other cars application that you might just end up using this part of this mount, like this ball part, and that's when you are going to use these washers that they provide us. And now I'm going to install the other mount over there. So let's move to that side of the hood. This one is just going flat in the back. There is no sticker in the back. I'm just going to remove these letters. There it is. And there it is, guys. You can see I have this light from Aerogenics. So I already installed the other strut in the other side of the hood, but it's not heating. So just make sure that once you open the hood is gonna tilt a little bit more up, so you might hit it if you have one of these lights. So just make sure to adjust it so it won't hit. Okay, and now we are going to remove that ball over there, the 10 millimeter again. And even that I have the spacer for the Aerogenics dish light mount, I still can use these balls to install this mount. So this one is going to go like that, guys. We are just going to install this ball back, and then we are going to tie this. That should make it, guys. Let me show you better how it looks. Now we are going to install this leaf over there, and to install that, guys, then you will see we have this pin. We do have to remove this pin, guys, and then if you see it over there, this pin goes through 2 holes. So just let me show you. So there it is. You can see how it goes through the 2 holes. So the best way to install this is by to remove this. If you try to just push it in, it might work, but I won't recommend you to do that. You might bend this part. It's a little bit different from other pins, so that's why I think they give you 2 extra for spare parts. And then make sure that you grease this in both sides. And then what I'm going to do next, guys, I'm going to remove this pin right here. There it is. And then what is going to go on the fender is going to be this part over there, and this part is going to the hood. So now let's just install this over there. And then for the pin, guys, it's gonna be pretty easy. You're gonna see that hole over there, so you're just going to align it and go through both holes. You're gonna see it once that pin goes through both holes. There it is. And once it goes through both holes, guys, you just gotta press it in, and that's going to make it lock in place. So you guys can see that. And pretty much we're gonna do the same thing in the other side now. So let's move to that side of the hood. I'm just going to kind of position this in place. So now the hood is gonna open a little bit higher than if we are using the metal stick. So what I'm going to do now is just remove the metal stick that it was helping me to the installation. So we're just gonna remove this, and then you're gonna be able to open and close this one. Now let's go back to the pin. It should be pretty easy to do. There it is, it's all the way in, and then you just lock it in place, and there you go. Now you can see how the hood is open right now, and I like it a lot because it's open more than before. You guys can see it gained a few inches of clearance just by having those leaf supports. Let me remove my tools from here and let's open it and close. And then if I open it, like if I just open it there, it doesn't go up. I do have to kind of help a little bit, but once it's like past halfway, then it opens by itself. But if you just go like quarter, then still the hood is pretty heavy, but once it's all the way up, it will hold really nice, guys. And that's how you install the hood leaf support on the Honda Element. It looks really nice. I'm really happy with it. I don't have to use this metal stick anymore, which sometimes is annoying when working in the car, because this is like on the way of you having a space to work in the car. So I hope you guys like this video, and see you next Honda Element video. Bye bye.